I'm Donald with Steam Bright Supply, and today we designed a little tool that we wanted to run a test with you on YouTube. And one of the common things that we find with people that own a 500 psi carpet cleaning machine is that they can rinse tile floors, but they don't really have the ability to pressure wash the grout line. So we wanted to come up with a way to concentrate all the power and spray down to a 0-degree angle. And we actually put a nozzle in this tool here, and what it does is it sprays all the water at a 0-degree spray, but then rotates it at a 20-degree angle, so that way it'll actually clean the entire width of underneath here at about 1 revolution for every psi you ask it to push. So if I hook this to a 1500 psi, that nozzle is going to actually rotate that spray pattern at about 1500 psi. But at 500 psi, it's going to do it at 500. But again, it's concentrating all that spray so that you can run this tool over the grout lines and actually pressure wash some tiles. So we're going to do our first test. Also we put a filter down here, and this optionally lets you, depending on how tall you are, you could stand at any height with it. So we're going to go ahead and turn this on. We got our gauge set at 500 to simulate the standard 500 psi unit. Oh, I'm going to go ahead and spray it in the air so you can see what it kind of looks like. I don't know if you can see that spinning around. And it's a plastic lip, so it's not going to scratch the floor. But you can see there, it cleans pretty fast. If you had to run that over some grout lines, it would do it fairly quick. I'm moving a little too fast for that, so if I did a little bit slower. I noticed when I was doing it quick, it actually, as it's going around, it was kind of like, I'll pull this one real fast. And you see here, it's actually skipping that spot, so that means I'm pulling it a little bit too fast for the pressure of this. So if I pull down on it a little bit slower, it's going to clean all of it a lot better. Up here, we have vents that we have on the top to let the air come in. That's going to help pick up the water and get it down your hose. So while this thing looks really funny, it does work real well. And we'll put the list of parts up on our website so you can make one yourself or buy one already assembled from us.